my sweet angels, welcome back. What I eat in a day, this is impromptu because I went to Joe's for the first time in a very long time. You guys know that good when you just like have so much food when you come back from the grocery store and it feels exciting. Let's begin. I'm having a little black coffee because I ran out of creamer. I've been incorporating Brazil nuts into my diet. You're only supposed to have one because they can be toxic because of their selenium. Okay, I also have been doing such a good job. You know, recognize your wins. I've been doing a really good job at working out not every single day, but most days. I talked about this a lot in my recent vlogs, but I like it. So I have therapy in just a little bit, so I'm gonna do a 15-minute HIIT workout. I'm a big fan of HIIT workouts. They crush your spirit so quickly, but they're over really quickly, and I prefer that. And then I'm gonna do an ab workout after if I'm still alive. No worries, just at therapy. I'm crying. There's literally snot on my shirt. But you know what? That's on therapy. I'm really hungry because I worked out and then I had to shower really quick and then I had therapy, so I haven't eaten yet and I am starving. Since we went to the grocery store yesterday, world is our oyster. I think we're gonna do mango on the side because I haven't had a mango in so long. And like a yummy avo, just egg, tomato, vegan pesto toast. I'm done. I retired from what I eat in a day, so this is it. Okay guys, I missed lunch today. I'm gonna show you lunch tomorrow so that it'll fill a video. I kind of ate like snacks and stuff while I was about, but I didn't film it. I also don't need to know exactly what I eat in a day. Don't base what you're eating a day off of me. I'm gonna make I'm so excited to make this. Okay, I'm gonna make like a peanut sauce, rice noodle, tofu, veggie noodle dish that's so good, and I haven't made this since I got back and I was eating it so much in Colorado and it's so good, so I'm excited to show you. Okay guys, lunchtime. I am drinking some coffee. Look at this new mug I got. She's really cute. I worked out, then I took a shower. Now I have my hair in my curly girl plop method. If you haven't watched my hair care routine, go do that. I make a really yummy salad that I was making in Colorado a bunch and then I kind of forgot about it. So yeah. Oh, I just found this channel and it's, well, one, I'm addicted to Love Island, so like I'll just watch anything, but
here in society, men, I believe, when they start learning to stop freaking oppressing women's sexuality, you men will become less pushy about sex. I believe that.
Ooh, snaps, buddy. I think he's cool. I have endless amounts of women that I hear talk about these things, whatever, but like this guy has like a male audience and I'm like, good. Like finally, like I feel like men will listen, unfortunately, like will listen to other men more. I want to be a dating coach. I wonder how you go about doing that. Probably you have to be good at dating first, so maybe I should figure that out. Okay. Okay guys, oh, I forgot to film an outro. Here I am, saying goodbye. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you're not, would love to have you. And I'll see you in the next one.